Hi, good evening, ma'am. Ngasi ai audio se lam gane na khanjo ke. Ngasi se May ge tari 1 May Day Numit International Labours Day. Numit asida am nungai ba pau khara la tare. Han bada ko ye Guwahati da pandun leba Manipur Bhavan da pandun leba mioi marfu ga maridu ngasi nungdin bas marida tonga Guwahati da to khare Imphal gi damakta hayeng di moi Imphal yorani aduga ngasi nungalak padu yorok bu yai. Okay. Aduga atop nungai ba pau mana khoi Minister of Home Affairs na khoi notification thok pai tare notification ki matumina Disaster Management Act 2005 ki makada khoi lockdown se khoi May ge tari ahum gi makhata na chayol ani sangdokani haiba gi pau lare si gi pau mayam viral oirabani mayam already khangbiramuni khali masika loino na haitare khoi lebak se gi apunba India pumugi wena 733 district laibagi manungda karam kamba district sing red zone da lege orange zone da lege green zone da lege na to Manipur gi wena di Manipur gi district taratruk mag green zone da lere adu India pumugi wena 130 district sing se akhoi red zone da le dunia adu orange zone na 284 district ni adu 319 district sina khoi gi green zone da lere and khwai yami si green zone ni adu Manipur gi district taratruk mag haida resisu khoi green zone da loi lere nungai ba paung ni haitare ma kitang reflect tawdna ba iswana ucharke akoi district taratruk amka panjar ke Manipur gi han district mapal ler mani taret ama 2016 da lakra matung da khoi district se punna taraga taruk surabani ahan Imphal West green Thoubal green Bishnupur green Chandel green Churachandpur green Imphal East green Senapati district green Tamenglong green Ukhrul green Kakching green Kangpokpi green Jiribam green None green Ferzol green Tenopal green and last but not the least Kamjong green loina green lore aduna green zone red zone amadi orange zone lairiba humse zone humsida kari athing bale ke lockdown di dum continue tokdini for 2 more weeks chayol ani makha dana sangdagani habnina kari athing bale ke to kari komthok da habdune aduna green zone gi moirona lakcha ke to green zone da laktringa the India pumugi na whether you are in the green zone orange zone or in the red zone some manana like the athing there will be some limitations adugi limitations into kaino hana haijage ahan but whether you are in green red or orange irrespective of the zones you are living in there will be some restrictions India wide restrictions in this 2 weeks ahan basi kaino haiba matamda akogi travel by air rail metro sida limitation legani there will be limitation on travel by air rail metro da chatpa yaroi flight da chatpa yaroi amadi rail da chatpa yagiro and interstate movement by road koi lambi gi khuthang da state amata chatpa sisu yagiroi running of schools colleges and other educational and training coaching institutions mahima sing tamam mayam se loina hangiroi moi loina lockdown da legini all this will be shut down adugi makata na koi hospitality services haibadi koi hotels and restaurants iso hangba yagiroi makoi se loina lockdown manung da legini limitations legini aduga places of large public gatherings mi ampun basu yagiroi maruina cinema halls will not be open malls gymnasiums sports complexes are not allowed to open aduga social political cultural and other kinds of gatherings sumo makalgi gatherings apun ba ko gathering for social political and cultural or other reasons will not be permitted in this relaxation in this extension of lockdown okay lockdown se extend tok duni but with some relaxation and limitations aduna limitations an haijage athing base aduga makata na religious places koi mandir gumba adagi koi church gumba mosque gumba they all will be closed permitted nahi hai it's not permitted yet and however movement of persons koi lambi da chatok chasin yadi hai targeti stranded people in the how they will move from one state to another madugi damuk so tongan ba order ma thoi ngasi se madu thoi border se kaino ha matamda akoigi tongan ba state sing the pandru legre mayam se chat pa yanu ge damak tang asi MHA na Minister of Home Affairs na thokpa notification gi matung ina koigi Ministry of Railways na allow tawgani train kara special trains will be allowed for movement of migrant workers pilgrims tourists students and other persons stranded at different places sima yarni maramaduna makogi damakta movement will be there for these people stranded people in different parts of the country through train through special trains arranged by Ministry of Railways. Madugi damakta, for that, Ministry of Railways will issue detailed guidelines for sale of tickets, how the tickets will be sold in this relaxation will be, for that there will be separate guidelines will be issued by Ministry of Railways. There will still be social distancing. Social distancing, so it should be physical distancing. There will be strict physical distancing protocol regime will be there, and other safety measures to be observed at train stations, train platforms, and within the trains. Moi miyamsina interstate movement tawu matamda hairiba physical distancing safety measures like safety measures like koi amaga punjinadaba adagi yaringai hand sanitizer and machine wapam se dum like mask is very important. Mask is very important within the train and at the platforms and at the train stations. Si mayam se yarani habagi koi hetare ngasi order mashi issue tawe Minister of Home Affairs na adun ngasai ko na ating mo mayam se leitar ga su koi train da chapi yaroi flight da chat pa yaroi haija batar ga su sigi special permission khara koi pirga lere for these stranded people. Okay, aduga makhatana, I think what will be the restrictions other than those I have mentioned? Movements of individuals for all non-essential activities not move to shall remain strictly prohibited. Yaru this kam gan matamda nungdangi pung tarite gina ayuki pung tare pause. Movement of individual me mayam si chatuk jasin tawing targasu numidangi pung tarite gina ayuki pung tare pause the chatuk jasin tawbigan haiba. Madugi damakta kogi local authority na state government sing na kogi CRPC gi section sing haiba tare maru in section 144 thamba ya curfew thum jan bayai koi manipur so already must impose torgul ribani aduga maru in all zones whether you are in red, green or yellow. Persons above 65 years of age, persons with comorbidities, pregnant women and children below the age of 10 years shall stay at home except for meeting essential requirements. For very essential reasons you can go out, but and also for health purposes. For example, you are ill, then you have to move out from your home, whether you are under 10 or whether you are above 60. Okay. Otherwise, strict restrictions the yumda view habisini school colleges okay. And outpatients departments, OPDs, hospitals and medical clinics, other private medical clinics shall be permitted to operate in red, orange and green zones. They are permitted to operate, but here in Manipur, most of the medical clinics and OPDs are not open yet properly. If it is open, it is emergency OPD. Okay, but OPD hang tar if OPDs and medical clinics are open, there will be social distancing norms, that is physical distancing norms and other safety precautions. However, this will not be permitted within the containment zone. Containment zone containment zone se red zone natraga orange zone the infected oiba madudagi makhatana spread torpa yaba mafam sing moi containment zone semduri maraduna containment zone tadi harbo OPD hangna singmasi leiroi aduga koigi ayuki pung tare tagina ayuki pung tare ki matung haitare adugi numidang waram gi pung tare phauki mamang sida nungthin gi matam sida haiba tare satoksin tobudi yarani habni andaki orders na but that will be effected from 4th May tarik mari gi matung do iduni tarik ahum bawti hanagi lockdown do dumak leigini haiba tare. Okay, makhatana green zone. As Manipur is in green zone, I would like to talk about those activities which are permitted. In the green zones, all activities are permitted except the limited number of activities which are prohibited throughout the country. India, the green, orange, red, I think Mayam do the green zone. Those limitations will still be existed in the green zones. Manipur su green zone I think the low interested movement yaroi flight chap yaroi train hoy Manipur the train late Ziribangu Mudilari train su yaroi but special trains arranged over the stranded people get among the Pandura Labam Yam Madu Yagani Adu Kari Yagadorge. However, buses can operate with up to 50% sitting capacity. Koi Manipur bus is chende achen bam oitaragadi madu the mi yankai tung targadi kumanga tung halaga thawi yani 50% of the sitting capacity must be reduced if you are operating. ऑपरेट तौगे है तारगदी ओके अदुगा मखाताना बस डिपो कोई बस स्टेशन मैम दसु कैन ऑपरेट विद अप टू 50% कैपेसिटी बस हाना लेट्स अस्यूम अकोई मणिपुर बस चाम चेलमे खलजे इंटरस्टेट की मनुंग को विदिन द इंटर डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स की कोई बस मैम से अदुसु हाना चाम चेलम तारगदी हुजी यांखै दा हंदलगे चेलंगनी हाइबा रोग सिट मनुंग दसु बस मनुंग तोंग मतम दसु हाना मी चाम तोंग तारगदी यांखै तोंगबिबा यांखै तोंग मगना कुमा दा हंदबा कुन तोंग मन तरा दा हंदबिबा तखै तखै हंदबिरगा बस चेन बे यानी है तो मणिपुर दि अयाम्बा इंटर डिस्ट्रिक्ट हाइगद्रा नत्रगा मफम अमदि मफम अमदा मूवमेंट से ऑटो दा तोंगनबनी अदना ऑटो से चेन बे यादुरिब्रा यातागदी ऑटो ददि कोई मी से सिटिंग अहम तोंग मा और ममांग दा अनी तोंग तरे कुम तोंग याबने अदु हजिक यादु से कर्म मंग याद मी अहम ममांग दा अनी तोंग बा हाइदि ड्राइवर की हेक मनिंग दा अनी तोंग बा अदु मनिंग दा अमम तोंग मरी गुम तोंग लगा थौ यादों माले अदुबु मधु दी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट लाउतरोनी वेदर ऑटोज ऑटो रिक्शास विल बी अलाउड और नॉट will be notified by state government separately but here in this MHA guideline MHA notification bus khaidi yarne habi often se midile rahe okay these are the relaxations aduga I think mo mayam dudi adumag legani aduga koi ayun tin chatpa yaram da hujik ti chatpa yarani habagi pause lere anoy pauni but hari se ayuki koi numidang ki pung tere tagina ayuki pung tere phau se strictly prohibit tawni madugi damakta I think mo mayam su thamba yai habagi wafam se madi guidelines na make sing na palle aduna stranded people ki damakta di am nungai ba pawa haiba targati ngasi gi order haiba tare train arrange tawne haiba ado khoi gi stranded people sing pusalakpa hogre ngasi Guwahati da panduna leiba maroi na Guwahati gi Manipur bhawan da pallaga leiba mi marfu mari mahiro yauna aduga thopa tongan tongan mi sing yauna mi marfu mari si changakre lakpa hogre gari tongre aduna moi ngasi ahingda natra nualakpa do aida thunga ba yare natra ayu angan bada thunga ba yare sigi update khara sa mayam da pijan mani thank you so much mayam gi comments e yengba ngamjadre means nang hodre have ta ngamjadab na taba ado ai happy maning halam ge kana kana gi comment leige haibasi comments e ayamna koi gi keno na tawre gestures oina tawre wahini ibasi yaw dre thank you so much mayam jengbi gi damakta duga updates lo gi damakta otherwise aina haijari update mayam se already कोई वायरल गासु ओइरगा लेरबनी मयाम शेयर तौनरबनी WhatsApp न सिंगबा Facebook न सिंगबदा अदुगा मतंग सय लुसिनजरगे थैंक यू सो मच गुड नाइट मुत्ता तुजन कायदनो